Hello guys, it's Chow Messenger. Today I have a Beyblade to unbox, which is L-Drago 105F. Yeah, this is the original L-Drago, so I actually got this and Pegasus on the same day. This is BB23. So yeah. Alright. Well, this is gonna be fun to open. Oh, never mind, it's actually not that bad, surprisingly. Got some stickers and instructions and stuff. Alright, we got tool. We got this string launcher. I actually like this, to be honest. It looks pretty cool. And I like the grip. It actually feels pretty comfortable. We got dark blue F. We got a dark blue 105. And then the face is dark blue with white print. And then finally, the L-Drago wheel. I got some red markings on it, but it's mainly silver. This actually looks really nice. Wow. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this thing together. Here is L-Drago 105F. So alright, so this is gonna run you about $20. And to be honest, it's worth it, considering what you get with it. I think it's actually pretty good. So you get a left string launcher, which is always a nice thing to have. To be honest, they're cool. So yeah. Plus, just having the original Drago, I think, is already definitely something that's worth it right there. So, yeah, definitely a cool thing to have. It's not competitive, obviously, but it's just kind of cool to have. It's much less expensive than Pegasus, at least. It's probably like 2.5 times less. I don't know if it's just because the Bay pointer or it's the main character, but this is significantly less, and it's looks cooler, to be honest. So yeah, I highly recommend this one. But anyway, guys, that's really all for this unboxing. So yeah, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.